Hey, did you know the Mark IV can print on almost anything? Give it enough surface and it really doesn't care what is under the nozzle. Its load cell sensor is incredibly precise and it works with any kind of hard surface. Yeah, right, you're thinking. Well, to prove it to you, we went shopping. So, what should we try? Plexiglass? That's a good start. Wood? Laminate? Sure. How about some sandpaper? That might come in handy. And also, well, why the heck not? Now, before we continue, we will show you some things you should absolutely not do at home. I think it's also stated somewhere in the manual, but we didn't read it. You probably should though. Anyway, the beautiful thing about the load cell sensor is that it's not optical. You cannot throw it off with reflective or textured surfaces. It operates on pressure data, so that's why the nozzle just gently taps the surface to create a perfect virtual height map. And then, the Mark IV lays down a pristine first layer every time. Yeah, even on this cheap substitute for a textured sheet. And here we present things so absurd that no comment is really necessary. The craziest part? It still works. So just sit back and enjoy. It was a lot of fun when we tried finding things to print onto. Look at the PlayStation 4, it fits so well, as if it was predestined to be used like this. So, that's it. The load cell sensor is incredibly precise, it can deal with all kinds of surfaces, and it's extremely reliable even in the long run. It's the best option to achieve a truly beautiful first layer on pretty much every kind of hard surface. But please, try sticking with the proven double-sided print sheets. Do you have another crazy idea what we should use as a print surface? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching and happy printing!